Hello, my name is Nick Kukis, and this is my game. Now, before I get started, I want to talk about the general tone of the game I was going for, which was overall lighthearted, fun, engaging, just the right balance of challenging, not so much that you want to punch in the computer, but enough to keep you engaged. Uh, the reason why I'm doing this now is because in game I'm going to get a little rambly. You'll see soon enough. So in this game, you play as this little black square trying to avoid these little red squares. The red squares are bad. In addition, you also want to prevent yourself from falling into the pit of poisonous gas. As you can see, these red squares, although slow, do seek you out mercilessly and can travel through platforms, while you cannot. In addition, you are affected by gravity, which means that your movement, if you don't keep yourself going up, it will make you eventually sink and fall into the acid. I had my girlfriend playtest this actually, and to quote her, it feels like you have rockets strapped to your character at all times. By the looks of it, she had fun for the 30 seconds she was alive. Although I don't have death programmed exactly into this game, I have still managed to make the fear of death ever prevalent by having it crash a game. In addition, it also, if you run into the poison, it does the exact same thing. Let's just test that really quick. Yeah. Anyways, that's the core mechanics of my game. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and I definitely look forward to looking definitely look forward to working on this in the future.